Okay, so today we're just going to do a series of glucose testing. We're going to do what's called a glucose tolerance test, where you get a baseline, hopefully you're fasted, and then you drink a sweetened drink, and you test repeatedly to see how your glucose level responds. So your glucose levels should go up, insulin should kick in, and it should go back down. So just to save us a little time, this is how you do one of these. Take a alcohol swab, swab the finger. This is a lancet device. There's two different kinds that have two different lancets. I'm going to use this one. These tend to pull off. You put the lancet in there and then twist off the top portion. Got a little needle exposed there. Put on the lid, and then you can adjust this in terms of the depth, the hole that you want to make. So you can go from little to large. So pull it back to cock, press the button to stick. So since I've touched that, let's do another swab. And we're just going to swab the finger, get your hand all pumped up, and then pull back to cock, press, and you get a little droplet of blood. Now, some people get rid of the first droplet. Now you'll have these test strips, and if you wonder where your lab fees go, it's for these strips. So actually they've gotten kind of cheap. So the bars on the bottom go into the tester, and the yellow band on the top is where you put your blood. This one tester, it's standard for just about every hospital. You buy these at CVS. These are the strips. So the strips have two ends. The lower end has these black and white stripes. That's the end that goes into the tester. The yellow is where you put your drop of blood. So you put in the test strip, and you just follow the prompts. So it gives you some little code thing there, and then it tells you to put the blood on. See that? Very simple. You grab one of these alcohol swabs, wipe off the tip where you're going to stick yourself, cock the lancet device, and then boing, and you get this drop of blood, right? And take this, see that it goes onto it, it'll start counting down, and you should get some level. 91 mg per deciliter. So I just ate it 2 hours ago, or an hour and a half ago, so it's a little high. My resting is typically about 75 to 80. So anyway, that's the technique you're going to use repeatedly to watch how your glucose changes when you drink a sweetened beverage. Okay?